Imagine if you want to reach at a place and you're already late. If you are on your bike, or if you're in the car, how will you drive? In your mind, it will be always there that you have to reach at that place in time. You are running against the time. What will happen? Your mind will not be on the road. Your mind will be constantly thinking about how you reach on time. Imagine something goes wrong. Why something goes wrong? Because your mind is not on the task. If you are driving a car on the road, you are supposed to have your concentration on the road itself. One small mistake of yours can cause a big problem for your family. To do this, we have designed a wonderful e-learning contest, something called as ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. ये हेलमेट आप जो देख रहे हैं, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. We bring you 4 verticals in the competition. First is slogan. You write your own slogan and submit on digital platform. Second is you design your own GIF animation file to communicate the message which we will reach. We will reach out this to many people so that people learn from it. The third one, it's an interactive quiz on road safety, which is not merely asking some questions on how this sign looks like or what does the sign mean. And the last is about the poster competition. It is said more than 1,000 words, one picture can speak many things. Design your own poster, submit to us. The winners of the 4 will be awarded with wonderful prizes. The winners will get free road safety e-learning course. See you soon in this competition, and I hope you get the first prize.